Hey guys, we're going to be upgrading the license plate light bulbs on this 2017 Buick Encore. I'm going to show you quickly. The lenses here, we have to shift them over in order to get them out. And I'll just do this one. Grab yourself a trim tool or a flathead screwdriver or something to that effect, and you should be able to kind of slide this over. Maybe, there we go. And just take your time. I probably got the wiring doesn't seem like it's long enough. Definitely the wiring getting caught up on something on the inside. So just give it I don't want to pull it too hard. I guess it's just enough. Turn this counterclockwise to unlock it. And you can see here the design of the lens. We've got a spring-loaded piece that's on the side, and then there's sort of a hook on the other side. But anyway, so yeah, the lens is going to shift over to the passenger side of the vehicle, then drop down, and then go back out the other way to get it out. And it's the exact same thing on this side. It's going to also push over to the passenger side to unlock. So anyways, these are a 194 clear bulb, and we're actually just going to swap them out for LEDs to just give it a more modern look. We're using Auxito LEDs today. We use Auxito products for all of our lighting needs. And we've been using them for quite a while now. They're proven to work, have really good luck with them, and they're a great product. So if you want some, check link in the description. They got more than just these. They have lights for everything. These are pretty cool light. They got so many LEDs on them. But these things are polarity sensitive, so it's possible to install them backwards. But all you're gonna do is simply just push it into place. And if you're using a 194 clear regular incandescent bulb, you're fine to put it back together at this point. However, if you are going to do LEDs, I like to just turn the light on first just to make sure that it is going to light up. And if it doesn't light up, then you just take it out, turn it 180 degrees and put it back in the socket, and then it should light up. So I'm just going to turn it on, make sure that it does light up before we put it back together. All right, so then all we got to do is simply put this back together. I really wish they would have given us a little bit more room with the wiring harness, but I guess we'll suffer today. So just line this up, and then all you got to do is, once the socket is into the lens, you should be able to just turn the lens and the socket clockwise to lock it into place. I don't even know how the hell I'm going to do this. What a joke. Yeah, maybe I had it like this. Like, I don't know how the hell they expect you to do that. What a bunch of idiots. Okay, that's locked into place. And yeah, I think that's the right way. So we'll put this side in first. And then this side is like spring loaded basically. So we should be able to just push this in. Oops. And then it locks into place. So let's turn it on. We'll take a look and compare both sides, see what you think. All right, so there you can see it's a much more bright white modern look, and definitely worth the upgrade if you're trying to make your car look nicer. Like I say, Auxito's got you covered. Link in the description. They got bulbs for everything. But yeah, that's how you remove and replace the license plate light bulb on your 2017 Buick Encore.